Are you sitting in your chair?
Yeah. You being a big girl? You being a big girl? Yeah? Where you going? Huh?
Baby's sitting in her first little chair.
Yeah? Was that fun? Yeah? Was that fun?
Annika, do you like your chair?
She's like, yes. Yes. You say yes? Hmm? You want to stand up? No.
No, stay sitting.